Did you know that 90% of men never attract the type of women they truly desire? This isn't just bad luck or timing. It's a result of poor strategy and misplaced priorities. In this video, I'm going to break down why most men fail and, more importantly, how you can separate yourself from the masses to become the man women can't resist. Before we go into the points, let us have a deal that you will like this video and subscribe to this channel at any point you find the video very interesting or agree to a particular point made. Otherwise, you can still like the video and subscribe to this channel for no reason, just to support us. Let us now go into details. 1. Unrealistic expectations without self-awareness. Here's the cold, hard truth. Most men set their sights on high-value women. Women who are confident, attractive, and successful, without becoming high-value themselves. Think about it. You want a woman who takes care of herself, has standards, and commands respect. But ask yourself, am I the type of man she would want? If the answer is no, that's where your problem begins. Too many men are living on autopilot, eating junk food, skipping the gym, staying broke, and expecting a 10 out of 10 woman to show up and fix their lives. High-value women don't want to raise a grown man. They're looking for equals, not projects. So if you want to get the kind of woman you want, you have to build your life to be a high-value man. 2. Misalignment between desire and action. Men often chase what they want, but fail to act in ways that align with their goals. You say you want a loyal, feminine, and attractive woman, but what are you doing to deserve her? Are you hitting the gym regularly? Are you building financial stability? Are you working on your confidence and leadership skills? Are you creating a lifestyle that inspires her to want to be part of your world? You can't plant seeds of laziness and expect to harvest success. If you're sitting on the couch, scrolling social media, and hoping the right woman will magically appear, you're already losing. Women of value notice the man who's out there hustling and improving himself. So if you want to get the kind of women you want, your action must align with your desire. 3. Failing to master communication skills. Poor communication is a major reason men fail to attract high-value women. It's not just about talking, but about connecting. Many men try too hard or seem uninterested, both of which are unattractive. High-value women want confidence and authenticity. Men who listen more, speak with purpose, and engage her mind. Show her that you're thoughtful and intentional. This doesn't mean becoming a people-pleaser, but leading with clarity. Without meaningful conversations, your looks or achievements won't matter. Connection builds attraction. So if you want to get the kind of girls you want, you need to master communicating clearly with confidence. 4. Neglecting personal style and presence. Your appearance makes a statement before you even speak. First impressions matter, yet many men overlook this. Women are drawn to men who take pride in their appearance. Upgrade your wardrobe to reflect confidence, groom yourself, and maintain good posture. Beyond looks, presence is about the energy you project. Are you composed and confident, or anxious and uncertain? Women are naturally attracted to strength and calmness. Neglecting style and presence weakens your overall appeal. And this is one of the reasons. Most men do not get the kind of women they really desire. In conclusion, most men fail because they ignore self-improvement and lack alignment between desires and actions. To attract high-value women, raise your standards for yourself. Work on your body, mind, and presence. The man you become will naturally draw the type of women you want into your life. If you are pleased with this channel and want more contents like this, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and drop a comment below. Let's build a community of high-value men who dominate every area of life. Thanks for watching to the end. See you in our next video.